Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll look at how we can value financial instruments such as debt and equity. We'll begin with a brief overview of the discounted cash flow method, and then we'll apply this to both bond valuation and common stock valuation. We'll also look at some alternatives for common stock valuation, and finally we'll conclude by talking about how preferred stock can be valued. Let's get started. First, a brief overview of the discounted cash flow method. The key understanding of this method is that the value of any asset is the present value of its future cash flows. We can apply this to almost any asset, debt or equity. It relies upon two important things. First, the time value of money. The time value of money means that $1 today is worth more than $1 in the future. We're able to figure out those values by using a discount rate, which will compensate investors both for their time but also for their risk. The discounted cash flow method relies upon three specific factors. First, we have to estimate the expected future cash flows. We map them out when they will occur. We'll also need to determine the appropriate discount rate to be used, and then we'll use mathematical equations to calculate the present value of those future cash flows. We can apply this to valuing bonds because we can map out the cash flows both in magnitude and in timing. Important to know is where the bond is sold at. A bond sold at what we call par value means that the market rate is equal to the bond's coupon rate. In contrast, other bonds could be sold at a discount or a premium. What this means is that for a discount bond, the bond's coupon rate is below the market interest rate. Look at this example. If the bond's coupon rate is 10%, that means it's making interest payments in a specified manner at 10%, but the prevailing rate in the market is 15%. So in order to adjust that the value would be equal, the price of the bond itself would be lowered, sold at a discount to compensate for the lower coupon rate. The contrast is a premium bond, where the bond's coupon rate is above the market interest rate. In this example, the coupon rate is again set at 10%, but now the market rate is 5%. So this bond is paying